Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image 3-4 years ago, and she's a model from one of the best model agency in Okinawa, Office Rhythm. I made some couple different different pose, different shots on this. I made watercolor illustration type. A couple different images. Now this is today's subject. Let me see. I have this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. I'm going to try to make something different, something interesting image from these two images. Let's get started. Alright, now I'm gonna start with, let's see this, check that blend mode change on this pencil drawing type image. Normal to darken, multiply. Always cool. Line is pretty thick, so this time, this shooting, I have pretty much nice colors from this luminosity. This one has pretty nice pastel colors. I'm gonna use this luminosity effect layer image as a base. Then let me add some more different colors to make different image. Select multiple, 1, 2, then merge select, duplicate layers, then merge selected. Alright, now we got the nice image fixed. Alright, then let's see from here. I'm gonna move these images. Now I changed all the names, and I'm gonna move this pencil drawing type image, move up. I may use later, and let's see about this original image. Move this one in between this pencil drawing type image and over this luminosity effect layer. Then tone down about, let's turn it off, this pencil drawing type image. First of all, blend mode is normal, then turn it off to keep it. Now we see this original image. Opacity about half. Then we see this luminosity effect layer now. I'm gonna move this empty layer on over this original image. Then add color on this empty layer now. Now, what brush shall I use? Add colors. We don't need any texture of the brush, so I'm going to choose basic to soft round opacity. Now pick some colors. Go for this costume. Maybe warm beige type. Rose, same color. Let me see. Try this first. We can change anytime. Then I'm going to change blend mode, normal to color. Let's see on this costume. I'm going to change hue saturation. Only 4 under layer. What do you think? Maybe bluer colors better, huh? In this case, now I decide go for bluer colors, so I'm gonna delete this hue saturation, then clear this, then I'm gonna choose bluer color. Eraser tool. I'm going to use same soft round opacity. use the different blues. Okay, about this much. Then now go for background. Just a touch very casted color. Well, pretty interesting, isn't it? Kind of play around with colors. That's kind of fun. Okay, about this colorful background. Now what am I gonna do? Well, let's see about this pencil drawing type image now. Turn it on, then let's see what it looks like. Color burn. Too dark, huh? Lighten screen. Overlay. Soft light. Well, this time soft light. Maybe this soft light goes well. About 50, maybe 50% of soft light on this pencil drawing type image. This is normal. I mean the original base, just normal 50%. Change blend mode. Color burn. Line shows up. Kind of interesting image, isn't it? Overlay. Color burn. I kind of like this. Yeah, just more touch sharper image. I kind of like this color though. The original image changed to color burn. Base is luminosity effect layer. Now this dark lines come from based on this luminosity effect layer. So I want to duplicate this luminosity effect layer. Then one of the bottom. This one just turn it off to keep it. I want to smudge on this luminosity effect layer. Smudge tool. Well, pastel square. Okay, it'll work. Okay, now I know now what's gonna happen, so okay, I'm gonna smudge these all the images. Let's see. That's very interesting. Now smudging pretty small brush size, but I go with big ones. Oh, well, not that big. Outside. I just want to see this curious. How the smudged image show up. Okay, we're almost done for smudging. How it's gonna turn out. Let's see. I want to turn on this pencil drawing type image. Then change blend mode to darken. Of course, shows the lines. Kind of muddy colors, huh? Well, let's see, just leave it this way, and this is color burn effect on original image. This is a luminosity effect layer as a base image. Now about this smudged color, the smudged original image, kind of muddy colors. Now I'm gonna add layer over this pencil drawing type image. So add layer, then now fill this layer with white. Pixel layer, then I'm gonna make reveal this white layer with painting to, let's see, wrapping brush. Create empty mask, then wrapping brush. Okay, I'm gonna create empty mask on this pencil drawing type image. Create empty mask. Now I'm gonna hide this one too. Kinda interesting. Won't show much this model's image, just like hiding on the wall. Yeah, kinda interesting, isn't it? Not showing much image. Well, about this concept, this white layer took all the color effect, huh? Doesn't show much color effect. So I don't know about this white layer. I shouldn't have this white layer. That's right. Kind of effect is comes from this color burn effect on pencil drawing type image, and also this original image has color burn effect. That makes this kind of feeling, this kind of expression. Yeah. Then with mask, huh? Okay, I'm gonna take some more dark image with the soft round opacity. Let's see, this effect comes from... Okay, let me smudge. So much interesting. Well, about this color though, let me see. Does have density, huh? Then this color opacity. Yeah, okay. This color effect. This is the color I add, which shows this kind of feeling, huh? This is pencil drawing type image effect. Kind of touch dark image. Yeah, I kind of like this feeling of the color. Let me touch up some more. Okay. Alright, I guess this time though I don't want to use this white layer. No, I just want to leave these all the surroundings color. I think that's better. So I'm gonna delete this. Yeah, this is the way for today's result. Alright, nice subtle colors. I think this is another variation of this image. Yeah, that's it for today. I got this image. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for you guys' support. I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and adding different colors, whatever you like, adding colors, and maybe smudged, get some kind of feeling image, different image, a different feeling from the same image. Yeah, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Ciao!